Fine wire staples are generally used for furniture assembly, such as sofa, moulding, trim, cabinets, drawing applications. The narrow crown staples can be penetrated into the surface without obvious appearance. Medium wire staples are preferred in wood building, furniture assembly, sheathing, and similar applications. A medium crown offers a wider range of clinch. Heavy-duty staples are intended for projects in house building, roofing, lathing, and more. Although wide crown staples are bulkier, it offers greater holding capability.